Do you want to manifest your desires overnight? In this video, I'm going to share with you a powerful Neville Goddard method that you can do for just one night and see results by morning. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about a technique that has worked wonders for me and for many others who have used it. It's a method that was originally taught by Neville Goddard, and it's one that can help you manifest your desires quickly and easily. I'm excited to share it with you today, so let's get started. Before diving into the topic, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest content. So let's get started. The Neville Goddard method is a powerful technique that aims to harness the power of your subconscious mind to manifest your deepest desires. At its core, this method is based on the idea that your thoughts and feelings create your reality. It suggests that by using your imagination and focusing on positive emotions, you can create the life you want. To begin this method, you need to start by identifying what it is that you want to manifest. It could be anything from material possessions to intangible experiences like love and joy. Once you have clearly defined your desire, you need to create a mental image of it. This image should be as vivid and detailed as possible, so that your mind can fully engage with it. For instance, if you want a new job, you can imagine yourself already working in your dream job, sitting at your desk, and feeling happy and fulfilled. By focusing on the details, you can make this image as real as possible. Once you have created a mental image of your desire, you need to feel the emotions associated with having it. This is where the Neville Goddard method really comes into its own. You need to feel as though your desire has already been fulfilled. This means feeling happy, excited, and grateful. By feeling these emotions, you're telling your subconscious mind that your desire has already come true and that it should work to make it a reality. Now, here's where the Neville Goddard method gets really interesting. Neville Goddard believed that you can manifest your desires while you sleep. This is because your subconscious mind is most active while you are asleep, and it's more receptive to suggestion. To use the Neville Goddard method to manifest by morning, you need to go to bed feeling as though your desire has already been fulfilled. This means feeling happy, excited, and grateful as you drift off to sleep. You need to imagine yourself already having what you want and experiencing the emotions associated with it. This mental image should be as vivid and detailed as possible, so that your subconscious mind can start to work on it. The next step is to feel the emotions associated with having your desire already fulfilled. This is where many people struggle, as it can be difficult to feel happy and grateful for something that hasn't yet happened. But it's important to remember that the emotions associated with your desire are just as important as the desire itself. By feeling these emotions, you are sending a powerful message to the universe that you are ready to receive what you desire. For example, let's say you want to manifest a romantic relationship. Before you go to bed, imagine yourself already in the relationship. See yourself and your partner together, holding hands and enjoying each other's company. Feel the emotions associated with being in love, happiness, joy, and contentment. As you drift off to sleep, keep this mental image in your mind and continue to feel the emotions associated with it. Neville Goddard believed that your subconscious mind will work on this image and bring it into your reality. The Neville Goddard method is not a one-time technique. It's something you can use every night to manifest your desires. It's important to remember that it may not work immediately, but with consistent practice, you will start to see results. One of the reasons why the Neville Goddard method is so effective is because it helps you to shift your focus from what you don't have to what you do have. When you focus on lack, you attract more lack into your life. But when you focus on abundance, you attract more abundance. In addition to using the Neville Goddard method before bed, you can also use it throughout the day. Every time you think about your desire, visualize yourself already having it and feel the emotions associated with it. The more you do this, the more you will train your subconscious mind to bring your desire into reality. I have personally used the Neville Goddard method to manifest many things in my life. One of the most powerful examples is when I wanted to manifest a new car. I have been wanting a new car for years, but I couldn't afford it. One night, I decided to try the Neville Goddard method. I imagined myself driving my dream car, feeling the wind in my hair and the sun on my face. I felt happy, excited, and grateful as I drifted off to sleep. The next morning, I woke up to an email from a friend. She said that she was moving overseas and needed to sell her car quickly. She offered to sell it to me for a fraction of the price it was worth. I couldn't believe my luck. I immediately took her up on the offer, and now I'm driving my dream car every day. One instance of the effectiveness of the Neville Goddard method was when I recommended it to a friend who had been struggling to find a job for several months. He had applied to numerous companies and gone through several interviews, but had not received any job offers. I suggested he try the Neville Goddard method and walked him through the process. He identified the job he wanted and created a mental image of himself already working there. He imagined himself sitting at his desk, chatting with colleagues, and feeling fulfilled in his role. He felt the emotions associated with having the job and fell asleep with that image in his mind. The very next day, he received a call from a company he had applied to weeks earlier. They informed him that they were impressed with his resume and wanted to schedule an interview. During the interview, he felt confident and relaxed, and he knew that he had already secured the job in his mind. A few days later, he received the job offer and accepted it with excitement. He was amazed at how quickly the Neville Goddard method had worked for him, and he attributed his success to the power of his subconscious mind. He is now a firm believer in the Neville Goddard method and has recommended it to many of his friends who are also looking to manifest their desires. The Neville Goddard method is a powerful technique that can help you manifest your desires quickly and easily. It's based on the idea that your thoughts and feelings create your reality, and that you can use your imagination to create the life you want. So give it a try tonight and see what happens. Who knows, you may just wake up to find that your desires have come true. If you enjoyed the content and found it valuable, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.